Got yourself the new Google Pixel 10 Pro? Then you'll want to keep it safe without sacrificing style. In this video, we're looking at the best Google Pixel 10 Pro cases that offer the perfect balance of protection, functionality, and sleek design. From slim and minimal options to rugged, heavy-duty protection, these cases are built to match your lifestyle while keeping your phone looking brand new. Let's dive in and see which one is the right fit for you. Number 1. ZWay Google Pixel 10 Pro Case. If you've picked up the new Google Pixel 10 Pro, the ZWay case is a smart way to protect your investment without sacrificing style. Right away, you'll notice the clean, translucent matte back. It gives you a modern, minimal look while keeping fingerprints, smudges, and scratches at bay. The matte texture feels great in your hand, offering extra grip so you're less likely to drop your phone in the first place. But if you do, you're still covered. This case has been tested for military-grade protection up to 8 feet with a sturdy PC back and flexible TPU frame that absorbs shock from accidental drops and bumps. It also features precise cutouts so your charging port, camera, and buttons are always accessible. The buttons themselves are soft and responsive, making everyday use smooth and effortless. Pro tip: on top of that, you're getting built-in strong magnets for MagSafe compatibility, meaning wireless charging and magnetic accessories lock on easily. With ZWay, your Pixel stays safe, stylish, and fully functional. Number 2. CASEKOO Google Pixel 10 Pro Case. If you're looking for the perfect balance between slim design, durability, and functionality, the CASEKOO Google Pixel 10 Pro case is a game changer. Right away, you'll notice how sleek it feels, but what makes it stand out is the patented Magic Stand Pro technology. Instead of a bulky kickstand that limits your viewing angles, this case has a 360° rotating stand built right in. Whether you're watching videos, taking video calls, or even following recipes in the kitchen, you can spin and adjust it to the angle that feels most comfortable with no neck strain, no hassle. The build quality is outstanding, featuring aerospace-grade aluminum that has been tested for over 50,000 folds and rotations, ensuring it will last. Plus, the super strong N52 magnets keep your phone securely attached to MagSafe accessories and car mounts even on rough roads. Charging is seamless and efficient too. On top of that, it's certified to survive 16-foot drops with reinforced air pads for full protection. This case truly redefines what a Pixel case should be. Number 3. OWKEY Google Pixel 10 Pro Case. If you're looking for serious protection for your Google Pixel 10 Pro, the OWKEY case gives you everything you need without sacrificing style. From the moment you snap it on, you'll notice the slim yet rugged build. The frosted matte finish feels comfortable in your hand, resists stains and scratches, and offers a solid grip so your phone doesn't slip easily. One of the standout features is the strong built-in magnet. It locks perfectly with MagSafe chargers and other key wireless chargers, giving you faster, more stable charging without having to remove the case. That's convenience you'll appreciate every single day. When it comes to protection, this case is military-grade tough. With reinforced corners, flexible TPU edges, and a durable PC back, it has been drop tested over 1,000 times and proven to withstand falls from up to 10 feet. The included 9H tempered glass screen protector and raised camera lips add even more peace of mind, keeping your display and lenses flawless. Number 4. Natbok Google Pixel 10 Pro Case. If you're looking for reliable protection that doesn't compromise on style, the Natbok Google Pixel 10 Pro case is designed with you in mind. This case fits your Pixel 10 Pro perfectly, with precise cutouts for the speakers, camera, buttons, and ports, so you never have to deal with loose edges or blocked connections. It snaps on easily and feels like a natural extension of your phone. What sets this case apart is its military-grade protection. Built from flexible TPU with reinforced airbags in all 4 corners, it absorbs shock from drops up to 8.6 feet. Whether you accidentally drop it from your hand or it takes a tumble from a table, your Pixel stays safe from scratches, bumps, and serious damage. The carbon fiber texture and brush finish not only give it a sleek look, but also provide extra grip, reducing slips and keeping fingerprints at bay. With raised bezels around the camera and screen, plus a heat-dissipating inner design, the Natbach case keeps your Pixel protected, cool, and looking sharp every day.
All products pricing and updates mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Stay updated with our excellent product and makes your life much easier. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Thank you.